Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois. Phone number 815-849-9089. We're going to look at some of my park models today. It's the day before Easter, and we've got a whole line of park models out here. Which one should we go look at? Oh, I think we'll go right for this one. This is a Quailridge double loft. It's a 2009 model. In fact, everything in this row is a 2009 model. I'll tell you a little about it as we walk up to it. It's got a house type entry door. That's an upgrade. Every place you see a little round mount, that's where an outside light goes. So it's got two outside lights on the front. This even has an upstairs. I'm going to do my usual, take you around the outside, and then we'll go on to the inside. This is unit number 9844. It's a Quailridge 39FLML 3T. That won't mean a whole lot to other people, but it tells what it is. Trying to get you a nice view of this without the sun wrecking the view. You can see it's got a lot of windows in the front. It's a really pretty color, tan windows, tan shutters, kind of a green colored siding, a dark green siding. We're going to go on in and have a look. It's a front living room. Got ceiling fan overhead. That's a sleeper sofa. Swivel rocker. This is the living room. There's your entertainment center. Upstairs loft. There's a bay window at the dinette. The chairs actually have storage in them. I'll show you what a chair looks like. See, you flip that up. You can use that for storage. Isn't that neat? Got nice wood mini blinds. There's thermopane windows. We have mini blinds on every window. I think they call them foul wood blinds. Suggested retail is $43,817. It is Kimura interior. There's lots of options on here. Yeah, foul wood blinds. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Reasonable amount of counter space in the kitchen. High-rise faucet. Got more counter here on the hutch. Nice big refrigerator. I think it's a 16 or 18 cubic foot fridge. We probably won't be able to see too good in the bathroom, but I'll try anyhow. There's the tub, shower curtain, sink. Of course, I'm blocking all the light now. Vanity, exhaust fan. There's a linen closet that you probably can't see too good over there. There's the toilet. Moving on to the master bedroom. Beautiful wardrobe in here. Look at that wardrobe. Called the his and hers wardrobe. Us guys jokingly refer to it as the hers and hers wardrobe. Behind the mirror is the circuit breakers. They're all well laid out, well marked. Okay, Well, we better go see the upstairs. See, I had to step down, and now we're going to go up the stairs and look at both sides of the loft. This is the rear loft. There's a little place for a small TV or a gaming station. It's got a TV jack. Little wardrobe up here. I'm on my knees, and I still got about a foot clearance. And there's the double loft. That's a pretty big loft there too, with a nice cabinet in it built in. I'll go ahead on up here so we can take in the living room from the upstairs. Okay. We keep our videos to under 10 minutes for YouTube. Otherwise, I can't put them there. 56,000 BTU furnace, 20-gallon electric water heater, 16 or 18 cubic foot fridge, 36-inch range, 36-inch microwave, high-rise faucet with sprayer, 20-gallon electric water heater, nice hutch. This is the Quailridge 39FLML 3T. These come completely furnished and they're ready to go. You just put them right on your campsite and you're ready to go Cadillac camping. We're gonna take a little journey outside. I want to show you what the other trailers look like. That's a Jack and Jill double loft. That's a center loft. There's a 2-bedroom. There's a Jack or front den double loft. There's the trailer we were just in. Log cabin, super bay, and another one like the one we were just in. Well, goodbye from Kelly Hicks Construction. We hope to sell you a park